Hello and welcome back to I Want to Learn English. Today, we're going to learn how to describe people in English. What does that mean? We talk about how someone looks. Are they tall, short, young, old? Do they look happy? Do they look tired? Let's learn together, and you will be able to describe people too. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to look at a person and say three or four basic sentences about them in English using adjectives. Ready? Let's go. Part 1. This is a man. He is tall. Repeat. He is tall. This is a woman. She is short. Repeat. She is short. This man is old. He is old. Repeat. He is old. This girl is young. She is young. Repeat. She is young. She is smiling. She is happy. Repeat. She is happy. He is yawning. He is tired. Repeat. He is tired. These words are adjectives. Adjectives are words that tell us about people. You are doing great. Let's put the words together. Part 2. Now let's build some full sentences. We're going to use this structure. This is a man or a woman. He, she is, and then we use an adjective. Example 1. This is a young woman. She is excited. Now repeat the sentence. This is a young woman. She is excited. Example number 2. This is a young man. He is tall. He is strong. Now repeat the sentence. This is a young man. He is tall. He is strong. Example number 3. This is a boy. He is short. He is scared. Now repeat the sentence. This is a boy. He is short. He is scared. Great. Let's move on to part 3. Now let's test your understanding. Look at the people in the following pictures and try to describe them. You can use the sentence frame to write down your description. Person number 1. Look at this woman. Try to describe her. What do you see? Pause the video and write your description. If you wrote she is young or she is excited, you did very well. If you wrote something different and want feedback from me, write your sentence in the comments section of this video and I will reply. Person number 2. Now look at this man. How can you describe him? Pause the video and write your description. If you wrote he is tall or he is strong, you did very well. If you wrote something different and want feedback from me, write your sentence in the comments section of this video, and I will reply. Person number 3. Describe her. Pause the video and write your description. If you wrote she is short or she is old, you did okay. If you wrote something different and want feedback from me, write your sentence in the comments section of this video, and I will reply. Part 4. It's time for a little quiz. Are you ready? Look at the picture. Choose the best sentence that describes the person. Question number 1. Is the best answer A, B, or C? The correct answer is A. He is short. Question number 2. Is the best answer A, B, or C? The correct answer is A. She is happy. Question number 3. Is the best answer A, B, or C? The correct answer is A. She is young. Great job, everyone. Today you learned how to describe people with words like tall, short, happy, tired, young, and old. You practiced full sentences. You took a quiz. That's a big win. Next time we'll learn how to describe other things like clothes and colors. That's coming up in another video. If you want to practice more, go to iwtle.com and get your copy of I Want to Learn English, the textbook, or go to the link in the description. You can always follow this video again. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and until next time, keep practicing your English.